welcome to the first vlog.
Hello. So, I'm doing this in honor of my friend Sarah. Okay, back up. I need a good shot. Setting everything up. We're about to leave. It's I don't know the time.
It's
9:44 at the moment. We have like 3 more hours. Yeah. So like I'm gonna stay up till 12. I can't see the light here. So I'm gonna stay up till 12 and now back up. And 8 hours. That's gonna be a long time. And since I don't have data or a phone number, none of y'all can hit me up, and that's gonna suck. I don't wanna mess up because if I mess up, my mom's gonna kill me. And yeah. So like I said, this is because my best friend, Sarah, hope you're watching this, is moving to, oh God, I messed up. But I got it. She is moving to Florida, thank you. And she's leaving me. She is leaving me and I'm gonna be really sad. But hopefully I can hang out with her on Friday. Okay, that's enough. See? So that's what we're gonna do. These are my sisters, they're annoying. And yeah, I'm gonna go back in and I'm gonna stop recording because my mom is gonna kill me. She's gonna be like, what are you doing? So yeah. Hey Sarah, I have more subscribers than you. Bye. So, I don't know if you can see us, but like, we just left and it's 8 hours till we get there. Exactly, because we just left.
Yeah.
Yeah. She's probably gonna fall asleep. And you can't see anything.
Literally.
Alright. 5 de la mañana?
A las 5 de la mañana te hablo para que oremos, ¿oye?
Alright.
Nos conectamos.
Peace.
Okay. So,
See you in 8 hours.
I'm gonna keep waking up. Because I know I'm not gonna sleep. I'm gonna sleep.
I don't know about that.
I'm gonna sleep when I get to the hotel. And 8 hours sitting in a car.
Exactly.
We're gonna stop probably at McDonald's, even though I don't like McDonald's. We're gonna stop. Probably later on I'm gonna have to whisper if I wake up and I wanna vlog. See, pitch black. I can't see anything. Well, I'll come back later. I don't know if you can see me doing the peace sign. There we go. Alright, see ya. We're still here, 7 hours in, or 2 hours in. No, 1 hour in. I'm confused.
2 because...
We need 7 hours more.
No, 6.
6 and a half. And we just got to Richmond in like an hour. No, we just got right now.
Oh, I mean, yeah.
I can't sleep even though I'm tired.
I can't sleep either.
We're all singing.
Yeah.
I'll probably get back to you like an hour. You can't see anything. There's like no lights there. You can kinda, we're probably gonna stop soon in like an hour or 2. McDonald's or...
No, 5 at 5. My mom said at 5.
I don't know. Well, we're gonna stop somewhere. We're gonna meet up with my uncle somewhere and we'll vlog there. Peace. Okay, so we stopped. I don't know where we are. I'm tired. It's 1:30 a.m. like 1:35. We still got like 5 more hours to go.
5 more hours and 29 minutes.
Yeah. And I'm hungry, I'm tired. I can't sleep. That's all. Peace. Alright, so we're in the resting place right now. We came to the bathroom. I'm waiting for my mom and my sister. People just keep coming in and it's kind of awkward, but I don't care. Oh god. Finally some good lighting though, so. Oh, they're here. I'm gonna have to go. There's no Wi-Fi here in that song, because I thought there was gonna be Wi-Fi. Time to go back to the car, because we're not gonna stay. We're just stop, quick stop, bathroom stop. My phone's going crazy.
¿Cómo tira agua eso? ¿Está
So,
conectado a una máquina?
We stopped for gas station, and we still got, let me see, 4 hours and 45 minutes. It is 2:38, I think. Let me see. Yeah, 2:38 a.m. We're gonna be getting there in about like 7. Like at 7.
7, if I'm not wrong, 7.
Yeah, 7 something. I don't know.
30 something.
My phone was going crazy for a second. I couldn't
Because we
start
stopped.
recording.
We stopped, so.
So that's all. So another stop. So Nash County rest area. Everyone was asleep now. Like my dad really had to come. So yeah. Yeah, by the way, it's 4:10 and we still have like 3 more hours. We're almost there. We can make it. Alright? 3 more hours. I was dead. But we stopped and I had to come. So I'll see you all in 3 hours. Or less. We still have to stop at a McDonald's to eat, so bye. So we're still here. My dad decided to stop for a quick rest because he has been driving for like 5 hours straight. And he said we're gonna rest for like 45 minutes. So let's add 45 minutes to the time till we get there. Everyone's sleeping right now. And I low-key wanna go for a walk. But I can't. So I'm gonna try and sleep. And if we make another stop or anything interesting happens, then I'm gonna record that too. So we stopped at a New Dixie Mart. I just woke up. Oh God, and I'm tired. Let me tell you, I am tired. That was really bad clap. Let's go again. There you go. We still got 2 more hours to go. But look, it's like morning already. I was hoping I could record the the sunrise. I was hoping I could record the sunrise, but I woke up late. So 2 more hours. I'm moving my seat or whatever. I'm going to edit this video. It's only gonna be like 2. Like the way there and everything I'm gonna do over there, because it's gonna be 4 days, and on the way back. So it's gonna be fun. Hopefully there's a lot of stuff I can do. So that's all. I gotta go. We are almost there. Oh God, my parents stopped at a McDonald's. Not sponsored. And we're like 50 minutes, 45 minutes away. But they're also going to stop at a Food Lion over there. Yeah. And oh God, we're almost there. And this 8 hours, I forgot. Yeah, 8 hours. They better be worth it because I'm so tired. They better be worth it, man. Huh? Yeah, we stopped. We were supposed to get there like 6, but since we stopped like 40 minutes to rest, and then we stopped a bunch of times, we're getting there at like 8:40. I'm so tired. Well, I'm going to. Hopefully this. I'm gonna record too when we go into Food Lion. Yeah, I'm going to record in there, and I'm going to edit this today. It's been fun. It's going to be even more fun. So we just entered South Carolina. I changed my shirt because it was way too hot, so. Yep. We still got like 30 minutes to go because we had to stop and buy some stuff. And yeah, I'm so ready. I wanna sleep for hours now. So we got to the hotel like 20 minutes ago. And this hotel is like really bad. Literally, I was about to puke walking up those stairs. It stinks so bad. I already gave my review on Google because it's like really bad. And I'll start editing right now. Hopefully, it can be out today or tomorrow. So we're still on day 1. The card for our hotel room wasn't working. That's fun. My dad almost broke the doorknob. That's fun too. So far, day 1 has been really, really awful. Let's hope that day 2 is better because our vacations have started out really, really bad. Look at that. Still vlog day 1. We're watching a movie. We're going to watch Infinity War. But right now we're watching Bohemian Rhapsody. And it's really boring. It's really hot in here. I'm sweating. Oh God. Look at this. Alright, so I'll hit you up later. Today's vlog. Hope I'll be making more tomorrow. Peace. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. This is cringy.